Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Cooking Cuisine. I am Shikha Shah. Today I will be showing you how to prepare Ratlami style khasta kachori chaat. For making moong dal kachori, here I have taken this size of 1.5 cup of moong dal and soaked in water for at least 3 to 4 hours. And now I am going to crush this without using any water. Crushing this, you can see how fine and smooth paste this has turned into. First, I am going to prepare the dry masala. For that, here I am using 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can use 5 to 6 black peppercorns. Dry roast this for 1 to 2 minutes and crush this in the mixture bowl. And this should not be finely coarse, this has to be roughly coarse. In a frying pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. This is the dry coarse powder which was prepared earlier. Coriander and cumin powder 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 to 2.5 tablespoon of chana flour. Add the paste of moong dal. The amount of oil should always be more because moong dal has the tendency to soak up the oil, and we are using chana flour to get a good binding. In this, now add half a teaspoon of dry mango powder and black salt and salt to taste. Stir this continuously and let it cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. The water has evaporated and the mixture has separated. This is the stage that you can come to know that this is done. Turn off the flame and let it rest, cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. So here I am taking 2 cups of refined flour, 1 cup of ghee and oil mixed, so it is approximately 2 tablespoons. And some salt to taste. The ghee needs to be added in proper proportion so that we can get a bit crispy and a flaky outer. Add water in parts. And half a teaspoon of more ghee to this and mix this well. Let this dough rest for at least 10 minutes. Take this ball size dough and now with the help of rolling pin, roll this well. Take this mixture, keep this in the center. Assemble this all together. Rolling pin. Spread this out evenly into the round shape. Like this, prepare all the kachoris, and that the oil is hot. On a medium flame, fry this all one by one. This, it should turn the golden brown. And now that this is done, remove this all out. For making green chutney, for this, take 1 cup full of coriander leaves, 3 to 4 mint leaves, half a cup of few seeds of masala singh of Ratlami, 3 to 4 pieces of apple, half a lemon. Then add some salt to taste. And now crush this in the mixture bowl. Mixture of the green chutney. In this, if you want, you can add 1 green chili to make it more spicy. Our Ratlami moong dal kachori ready. You can eat this in a chaat form or simply plain kachoris. For making this kachori chaat, take a kachori, add small amount of oil. In this, add some dahi, add some green mint chutney, some sweet chutney. Top it with some masala singh Ratlami sev. Would really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.